What's up mga kabangs? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Kung first time mo sa aking channel, click mo ng subscribe button at bell notification para ma-notify ka every time nag-upload ako ng bagong videos. And gabi na, ngayon pa ako mag-vlog kasi meron akong event ngayon guys. Na-invite tayo sa isang Christmas party. So punta tayo doon at tayo ay makikikain. Andito na kami guys, kasama ko si Mami, Ma'am Shing. At ayan, pasok kami. And tama ba niya siya kung sutlan? Wala na siyang event ba? Ibang event ito. Here na kami. Hi guys, nandito na kami. Baling party na pinuntahan namin.
Hi guys, we're here.
Baka lang yan. Ito pala.
Ayan, na magsitayuan mo tayo lahat, brother people. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the owner of Salon, Salon, palapakpan lang people.
Hello everyone, good evening. Ang gaganda nyo naman. I love your outfits. So, first and foremost, I want to say welcome to our 6th Christmas Index Party. So first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our friends from the social media, our VIP guests, and also napaka-espesyal ng gabing ito dahil pinaunlakan tayo for the first time dito sa Index at the first time niya dito sa Davao, si ang ating corporate secretary ng Index Hair and Body Salon, si Sir Mark Anthony Salwan. Thank you Sir Mark for kahit isang araw lang napaka-special.
Yung mga managers guys, in the salon or over the Mindanao. Over the Mindanao. Over Mindanao. Ang cute nila.
Excited ang lahat. Lumabas kayo ha. Okay. And obviously, alito na. Paskilitin na ha. I saw
Ito na tayo, mataas na tayo, kung wala kayo, wala na ng Index. So, in behalf of Index Head Office, San Juan Family, and yours truly, Mark San Juan, your Corporate Secretary and Managing Director, thank you very much sa loyalty nyo. Yan ang ginagawa. Thank you very much.
Ayan guys, off na tayo. Zero lang pala.
And of course, mamaya kaabangan din natin from our Miss Again Legendary
Ito yung mga employees ng Index Salon. So, alam nyo kung anong salon ito. Kasi visible sila sa Manila, sa Luzon, Bisaya, sa Mindanao. Ayan. Ito yung Manila Director for Manila. O, mababayad kayo sa amin. Ito yung food. Alright. Wala ako. Dami harapan. Business ko ng product demo ko. Ito yung binigay na camera ng Taiwan Excellence. Ayan. Free toffee sa mga judge.
From the beautiful country of Colombia, na may kasabihan, beauty is just less, but a character is the best. And thank you. Hi, I'm just Francine. From India.
Beyond imagination. At the least in the evening to each and everyone, tonight is the night when you can witness the most prestigious show on earth. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, standing here before you is a woman of substance, grace, and elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 1993 Miss Universe, and Dayanara Torres, proud to represent Puerto Rico!
Makayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Ang babaeng nagatindog kaninyo sa inyong harapan ang siyang nagsasabi kung ang Colombia ay nakwanan ng corona, ngayon andito na sa inyong harapan ang babaeng pinakamaganda sa balat ng lupa. Sino siya? From the land of earthquake and tsunami, Philippines!
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Initial self that reflects into the water. Initial soul that reflects into your heart. Welcome to the world of fantasy and illusion. And the cities we're here tonight, and illusions which is very able to be a real woman. Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maria Cristina de Gracia Alcantara, proud to represent my country, the land of enchantment, city of Mexico, Mexico City! Kung gusto nyo gumandang buhay nyo at gumandang buhok nyo, mag-index na kayo. Muchas gracias!
Tungod sa gugma ni Mama ug ni Papa, ako ikanak na nailusay. Kanya nung nailusay, kay bayot diyan. Maupay gabi kanatong tanan. Maupay way kaon. Maupay gutom. Maupay way kuray. May kalasari. Kung tagaan ako kahit gayon, nauspon ang akong pangalan. Ang babaeng gusto mo inom o emperador, matador na puyo sa ilalong sa aparador, Maya Salvador. Bago ko piiwan ang apat ng sulok ng isang tabladong ito, hayaan niyo akong mag-iwan ng isang katagang. Kung ang imong anak adunay ubo, kuha og tubo, puspusin pag maayo, tanggal ang ubo, bangag ang ulo. Kung ang imong anak adunay hubak, pakala kini og bildo nga buak, tanggal ang hubak, tigbak imong anak. I'm proud to represent my country. Toko, Turkey!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gretchen Barreto, representing for the land of Philippines. Thank you.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. My name is Maria Cristina Alvarez, representing for the land of beauty, Venezuela. Layo ng aking pinanggalingan. Wala ba kayong palakpakan dyan? Brazil is my nation. Heaven is my destination. Barrio Obrero is my location. And you is my admiration. The girl standing in front of you is the former Carnival Queen Cebu, 1996, Miss Gilabog Cebu, 1998. Miss Gay Mati Universe, 1997, first runner-up. And the reigning queen, Muchana Juan Carlo, Tadansora, Quezon City. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Especially to the board judges. Merry Christmas to each and everyone. Di man siya nanalo sa Miss Universe 2019, pero patuloy ko paglaban. My name is Casini Granados, hailing all the way from Index Illustrate na nag-iiwan sa kasabihang kung ang mga babae ay tiniguriang Jasmine Rice at ang mga lalaki ay tiniguriang Canada Rice, kamilang bakla ay tiniguriang NFA Rice. Di man kami kagandahan, di man kami kasarapan, pero lagi binabalik-balikan sa oras ng kagipitan. Congratulations, you are part of the top 5, candidate number 9. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year because you are part of the top 5, candidate number 5. Magpunyi at ibandera ang bandera, candidate number 3. Magpasalamat sa buong microphone, candidate number 7. You are part of the top 5, candidate number 10. You are part of the top 5, candidate number 6. Sinakasa ko ako. Iniwas ko yung tatay. Kumakagiwa ng aking nanay. Isang gabi, lapit ako ang nanay ko na. Siya. Anak. Tulungan niya. Nanay! Nanay ko!
Yan po ang tagawas ko. And gentlemen, our fourth runner-up is candidate number 9, Miss Brazil Gazini Ganado. Our Miss Gay Legendary third runner-up 2019 is candidate number 6. Congratulations, candidate number 6 for winning Miss Gay Legendary third runner-up. Our candidate number 5 is Miss Maria Cristina Alcantara from Mexico. Tinood na ni sir? Kung ba anong pwede mo? Ang una kong tatawagin ay ang ating Miss Gay Legendary 2019. Our Miss Gay 2019 is candidate number. Okay, our Miss Gay Legendary 2019 is Miss USA. Candidate number 7. And our Miss Gay Legendary 2019 is Miss USA, Gretchen Barreto.
Congratulations to winners! Hi guys! Out! Hindi na kami. Thank you so much Index for inviting us tonight. It's mga Francine. Hi ma'am!
Hi!
Yan, thank you
for coming!
Thank you! Yan, bye guys! Sir! Hi sir! Thank you for coming!
Doon po tayo sa baba lahat, please. And form a big circle.
Hi po rin channel like
Ay, dito lang. Okay.
And
Dito sa
see you
stage.
next time.
Form a big
Bye.
circle, please.